want month filter, so someone can wanted to see the how much sale in make in particular month, they can check it out in order to. And also they want to know the total employee cost, other cost, and total project, new project, and everything they wanted to know. Let's talk about this kind of also where you get it. Obviously, director don't want to see the employee what exactly doing. He wanted to know the numbers only, what is the growth percentage and everything. Obviously, different companies, different policy to calculate it. So we need to, and usually whenever I prepare this kind of dashboard, we receive data in Excel. So you can change it. You can make the changes. Say this. What I did. I received the all information this way and this way, and this one just copy and paste to the as a table. I can show the table. Copy it and go to the enter data tab here and paste everything. So let's just paste here and now give the name of the table and load. So since I did it already, everything, so don't need to do that. I created the same thing here too. So let me show the tables to you so that you can understand easily. Now say this business. These are summaries here. Project summary. This is a project summary and categories. Sales order replace. This is the data come from the database. So now everything we have on place. So now we need to summarize total sales and total order. So just create the total order and give the categories here. So we have this kind of value and we have a filter to if man director wanted to see how much sale they have made in particular month, they can check it out by year also. And wanted to see that how many employee in last year and current year. So total is 9 employees. And obviously definitely filter going to impact and total order too. Let's talk about the business prospects, employee cost, other cost, total project, how many project get it this year, how many project in pipeline 15, how many has been contract signed till this year. So 5 contract has been signed. Let's talk about the current year growth. So 19.12, forecasting 20.16, last year growth 10%, last year revenue growth 25.1%, client in pipeline, and total client we have total employee forecasting in 20 by 2022 is 25 employee in the organization, and total project 20. Total clients we have 50, but we have project 20 right now. Total revenue growth is 30.16. So review, total review means revenue growth. Sorry, it's not review, it's revenue growth. It's by mistake. So this kind of, so what I did, how to prepare this kind of dashboard. And if you wanted to add any comments, so definitely you can add here. And director doesn't have a time to look into the what the employee is doing, or they don't care about it. They just care about the what is the business going on and what all action we need to do so that growth can be increased that they're looking for. So that kind of dash I prepared that. So let's start how to build this kind of dashboard. So create a duplicate. So just simple. What you need to do here, you add the table. So let me show you. We have just calculated the total field here. Total already created that. So measure table, separate measure table. We have a total sales here. So this I've given the value. I don't want to switch it. It's to category total sales. By default, will total sales. I use that. And also you can see this one total sales too. So you can create this way. Sum of order total. This is the total sales. Sum and total sales. Hope you are also sum. And use this. Give the name is add as a measure. Next part is that we have already built the categories here. It's a manual entry. I've made it. So you can give the category and link with total. That's work fine. Month part month about months we can go to the take. Let's show me here. And now we have the order table. Sorry, not order table. Project press. Whenever you have a date, you can select that. Let me check it out. Yes, here. Say this. You can add the your month name, just format and order shipped. Let me give a little bit here too. So Control and plus you can increase the font of the formula. So say this one shift a format triple M and 4 time Y. So it will display like this. So now everything is done and add the slicer here. See this slicer month whatever you wanted to add. Yes, you can slicer. I added the table because I wanted to see the table, and here I added table too. So I added the table here and just pass the category and summary. Let me once again do it. So categories, select categories here, and let's flip it and say this. Oh, hmm, no, say this. So the category and summaries, total sales, total order, and this. And after they wanted to know that I added a card that how many employee we have. So for employee count, definitely how many employee working in the cells. So for this, we need to create the calculate total sales, employee, last name, and distinguish it so that name can be counted properly. So say not equal to blank and be distinguish. Let's talk about the distinguish. Total order, count of the order is total order, nothing else. And this one, since I already copy and pasted it in as a table, just you can select and format it. So I will do the format. Let's come to the format tab, decrease the font, let's start from the beginning. So the if you added the table, definitely you wanted to see the column header. So I wanted to see the font color is white and background color is red. Next I move to the text size, change the text size to 22, alignment keep automatic so that you can adjust automatically. Rapid is not mandatory, you can change it also. Value part, if you wanted to see this, there are two colors displaying here. So one is a front color and background color alternate. So you can give the two color here, you can get it. So this now two colors selected that. Next part is that text size, you can change the text size. Total want to display, total I don't want to display here. Now, if you wanted to give the title name, yes, you can do that. So let's business run business dashboard, business dashboard. So now let's change the format here. And if you want to give a dynamic data, so yes, you can have a separate video for it. You can check it out. And next, select that, change the background color. Good. And please keep in middle fun, but I love it in starting. And I want to change to 24. Say this. And if you wanted to change the font family, yes, you can Arial black so that it will display like a bold. Now, move to the background color. I don't want to see the background, so that is looking much better. Border, if you wanted to give, yes, you can. You don't want to give, also don't care about it. Now, next part is visualization. Whatever the last table you selected, just pass the value here, name of category and number of category. Since I already created the table here, this calculation get it by your management, it will help it out. Management provide the information to you, don't worry. So this information you receive it. Now, sometime you need to add the some text boxes so that you can some information not able to populate in table. Yes, you can do it by manually, like like I did it, but you also can pass the comment here and change it, modify it, and further calculation also you can add it requirement based. Since I got the experience from the one of my clients, so they asking this kind of dashboard and prepared them, give it to them. So if you like this video, request you to please subscribe my channel. And if you have any comments, please share below of the video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video.